So this section is, how did we call it this year? Innovation, no, that's the following one. Shipping and the law, because this is the true session of shipping and the law. Since I'm supposed to be a lawyer, I have so many lawyers friends, I wanted to make a conference of shipping, and I called it Shipping and the Law, because obviously law is interesting, but shipping is even more. And so this is the central nucleus of the conference. So I hope that the lawyers will try to be commercial and the commercial people will try to be legal. So it will be an absolute mess. Having said this, I would like to introduce the co-chairman of this session and introductory keynote speaker, Bernard Eder, who I don't think I have to introduce him very much. He was a very brilliant QC practicing commercial litigation, international arbitration, and he was appointed for some years since 1991 to 2011 as a Justice of the High Court of England and Wales, and he retired from the bench, which is not very usual when you are so young and active, but he did it earlier this year, and he's now an international judge in the Singapore International Commercial Court, and he rejoined his chambers, Essex Court chambers, as an arbitrator, mediator, and expert on English law. It's the first time I hear about English law. I didn't know you had a law, but okay, that's new information. And he's also a senior editor of the leading shipping textbook, Scratton on Charter Parties and Bills of Lading. I think Valentina, who is doing her master on this subject in Greece, is presently reading my edition of Scratton, which is very old, and so perhaps she should be a little bit adjourned. Bernard, I think you are speaking to us whether or not is payment of hire a condition. I think many ship owners would be a little bit puzzled by this question, because okay, you don't want to pay hire. I thought this was a condition, but there are some technicalities in English law that I think Bernard will be able to explain us. Okay, thank you very much. I hand over to Bernard Eder. Thank you.